Before installation, ensure that the product and adhesives meet acclimation and site requirements per installation guidelines and product specifications. Felted underlays. Synthetic fiber cushion such as SmartStep underlays should be at least 28 ounces in weight and should not exceed 3/8 of an inch thickness. Flat rubber or urethane foam padding such as SmartTread should not exceed 3/8 of an inch thickness and must have a minimum density of 16 pounds. The cushion should be installed using the longest length possible, taking traffic pattern and seam placement into consideration. After the breadths are in place, fold or roll the cushion back and spread with end press adhesive with a 16th by 16th by 16th inch square notched trowel. The spread rate for the 16th by 16th by 16th inch square notched trowel is 16 to 22 square yards per gallon, and allow the adhesive to set until tacky. Lay cushion onto the adhesive and trim flush with the wall or baseboard. Lay carpet out by pattern count and trim seams according to instruction on product specifications. Apply edge sealer to each cut seam edge and allow to dry. Position carpet seams into place and follow the pattern carpet directions for correcting bow, skew, and pattern elongation. Apply a premium double stick seaming tape under the seam. Fold and push the next side against the first. Fold the carpet back a workable amount on each side of the seam and apply new Broadlock Premium Multi-Purpose Adhesive. A premium double-stick pad will minimize adhesive absorption, so it will take longer for the adhesive to reach the tacky stage. Allow the adhesive to set using the proper open time before placing the carpet onto the adhesive. Dry time depends on ambient conditions. Higher humidity requires a longer open time. After sufficient open time, fold or drop one side of the carpet onto the adhesive. Use the previously described procedures to align the seam and correct bow and skew after the seam is aligned and hot melt the seam together. Roll carpet onto the adhesive using a 35 to 50 pound roller, both widthwise and lengthwise, to ensure a good transfer of adhesive to the back of the carpet. For any questions, contact Mohawk Technical Services at 1-800-833-6954.